Good morning, guys, and welcome by a new video of a market outlook. And starting off with the DXY, as what we can see here is we're still consolidating. Of course, we broke out of this range, but right now, you can see we're still consolidative, so it's not really a good market to look out for. But what we can see is that we filled up this gap, so I want to see like lower prices on the dollar. So of course, Euro USD buys, GBP USD buys, etc. So that's what I'm looking forward to. But of course, we can still see like not major price actions, like not a big of a push, not a big of a dump. I don't think it's gonna change much because of the peace deals and then a fake peace deal, etc. from Trump. So just watch out and wait basically for the right setup. So what I like to see right now is that we push down a little bit lower and can see lower prices. So we can buy Euro USD, GBP USD, and I will show you what I'm looking forward on those pairs as well. Starting off with Euro USD, we can see that we swept this low, and right now we see a big push up. But of course, it's a candle from Asia, or like the candle before Asia, it's not big of a deal, from Friday until Monday, the weekend gap. So for me right now, Euro USD, it's not that good looking for me. I'd rather wait till I see like more price action than just, this little bit of a range. For me, other pairs are more likely to play out than Euro USD. For example, GBP USD, is pushing up a little bit higher than that Euro USD is doing, and we can see here like an order flow. So for me, GBP USD looks better to look for longs, because you can see here we took out this low and we pushed up higher. We made a new high, and of course, you can see we're just trending up bullish. So for me, what I would like to see in GBP USD is that we go back, sweep this low, and then look for further longs into the upside and take out these highs or even this high. But I think this high is a little bit of a strong high because this high took out this lows or this highs as well. So this one is stronger than most of the highs or lows you see in the market because it took out liquidity. Then going on to AUD USD, for me, the same as Euro USD, just a waiting game. For me, I'd like to see price come up to this high so we can take out this high, because this high made a lower low, and now we're just, in this range. And I'd like to see break out, then retest, take out some liquidity and move up higher so we can make a new break of structure to the upside, because AUD is really strong currency. And yeah, just like I told you on DXY, I'd like to see lower prices so we can look for longs when we break out, retest, and move up higher. Then USD GPY, for me still, like, I'm not looking at this, this kind of price action. You don't want to trade in this, and especially around 160 or where we're trending now, you can see like big spikes. So if you want to trade USD GPY, you have to have a big stop loss so you can manage that because of interventions, etc. So I'm not a fan of this pair right now. USD Swiss is a little bit more clear because this zone is the daily zone. We reached it, we tapped in, and we saw further price action to the downside. And as you can see, we're trending up lower right now. So for me, what I would like to see on USD Swiss is that we go up, take out this liquidity, and look for further shorts. Because as well, here we tapped in this zone, and here we took out the Asia high, and we were trending lower. So for me, this is enough to take out and see like a good candle switch, good change of character, and then go for further shorts towards the downside and maybe even towards a new break of structure on the higher time frame. Then USD CAD, is for me a little bit unclear. Like you can see that I told you guys like last week I wanted to see this. That didn't happen, and here it's also a bit consolidative. We took out some lows, we went up higher, but right now it's not for me the best looking pair to trade on. Just waiting till it's better. And NZD USD for me as well, like not really important. It's not looking that good. I know we took out this low, but still right now this is a bit of going shitty price action. So for me, the most beautiful pairs for the dollar are USD Swiss to look for further shorts, and GBP USD to look for further longs, and AUD USD to look for further longs. That's on my week for now. If anything happens or changes, I will update you guys. Thank you for watching.